Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Potts, or you might see it on Blackboard as Michelle Butler. Butler is my maiden name. I actually went to Eastern Kentucky University for my undergraduate degree, and when I was there I was not married. So even though my name is changed, it still shows up on Blackboard as Michelle Butler. So you might see me say Michelle Butler or Michelle Butler Potts throughout this class. I graduated in 2013 with a degree in elementary education with a concentration in English communications. After that, I taught 5th grade for 1 year before moving to a different school where I have been teaching 3rd grade ever since. At my current school, I have taught 3rd grade for 4 years. And it is a very small private school. I am the only 3rd grade teacher, so I teach all subject areas, which when I first tell people that, they're always like, oh, what do you think about doing it that way? And I always say I really like it because every day is different. Now, that's not to say it isn't challenging, because it is when you are the only one responsible for all of those different subject areas, but every day looks different and you really do get a whole well-rounded picture of your kids. So I like it. I love 3rd grade. I think it's a great grade level. I was married in 2014. My husband Danny and I met at Eastern Kentucky University. We have 2 cats, Belle and Binks, and we are expecting our first child in December, so that is very exciting. All right, so I am going to jump right in here to our survey of grammar beliefs. As you can see here, I've highlighted 2 questions. Number 3 and number 4 is what I'm going to be focusing on here. Number 3 asks, what do you already know about the teaching of grammar? So I kind of took this as my own personal experience of teaching grammar. Like I said before, I'm responsible for all subject areas. So I have been teaching grammar for the past 4 years to my 3rd graders. I did teach it a little bit when I taught 5th grade, but we were departmentalized there, so I didn't have as much experience teaching grammar specifically. At my current school, we do have like a grammar book that we use. It is a specific subject area, but we like to incorporate it obviously with the rest of language arts. And honestly, I believe grammar is incorporated across all subject areas, which is why I think it is important for it to be taught in school in the correct way. So what I said in my answer here is, I know the basics. My experience is mostly to 3rd grade setting, and in 3rd grade we focus mostly on the parts of speech, really focus on that punctuation and capitalization. Those are big things for us. Another really important area that I think sometimes people forget about the teaching of grammar is making sure that it is incorporated and that the students are applying it into their writing pieces. I found that you can teach them all day long, but if they can't apply it, then they haven't actually absorbed that knowledge. The next question I highlighted here was number 4. Where did I acquire this knowledge? A lot of it I gained through experience throughout my past 4 years, what works and what doesn't for the students, and every year is different based on the group of students we have. I also included my undergraduate coursework because my emphasis and concentration was in English communication. So I have taken a grammar course before. However, it wasn't geared as specifically towards teaching grammar. And then I obviously had a lot of experience with my methods classes about teaching grammar as well. So that is a little bit about me and a little bit about my survey of grammar beliefs. So I look forward to getting to know everybody in this class. And if you have any questions, let me know. Look forward to working with you all.